Look up tonight, and you are witnessing a temporary luxury. Every constellation you know, Orion, the Big Dipper, Cassiopeia, is a fleeting arrangement. What if you could step into a time capsule and set the dial forward by 1 billion years? The sky above your head isn't static. It is a slow-motion collision course, moving at millions of miles per hour while humanity sleeps soundly underneath. But in 1 billion years, the celestial canopy won't just look different. It will look terrifying. If a human eye could look up from Earth on that distant night, the familiar landmarks of the cosmos will have vanished. New monsters will dominate the dark, while ancient companions burn out into cold ashes. So, what actually happens when the night sky grows old? The story begins not with distant stars, but with the massive engine at the center of our own cosmic home. And time is running out faster than anyone predicted. Right now, our sun is in its quiet middle age. But stars don't age like living things. They burn hotter as they run low on fuel. By the 1 billion year mark, the sun's luminosity will increase by roughly 10%. 10% sounds modest until you realize what it does to our atmosphere. The extra energy will trap heat, evaporating the oceans into high-altitude water vapor. The sky will no longer fade into deep navy or jet black at twilight. It will glow with an eerie, permanent, milky glare. The faintest background stars, the thousands of tiny pinpoint lights that make the Milky Way feel dense, will simply be washed out by the illuminated haze of our superheated atmosphere. Imagine stepping outside on a midnight in August, only to find the air thick, the sky glowing pale orange, and only the absolute brightest stars able to pierce through. It raises a haunting realization. If the atmosphere is changing this violently, what is happening to the constellations themselves? Every star in the night sky is moving. We don't notice it because they are trillions of miles away, but at speeds of dozens of miles per second, 1 billion years is more than enough time to tear the sky apart. Orion's belt will unravel. The Southern Cross will dissolve. The stars that guided sailors across oceans for thousands of years will drift into entirely random scatterings. Anyone trying to navigate by the stars in that era wouldn't just be lost. They'd be holding a map drawn for a world that no longer exists. But as old star patterns drift away, new giants will sweep into our neighborhood, and one impending cosmic collision will change our sky forever. Right now, the Andromeda Galaxy is a faint smudge of light, visible only on the clearest nights with binoculars. But it is racing toward us at 250,000 miles per hour. In 1 billion years, Andromeda won't be a distant object. It will dominate the horizon. A titanic spiral structure filled with trillions of stars stretching across the sky like a second, vastly brighter Milky Way. Nighttime will be illuminated by the combined light of 2 giant star systems beginning their gravitational dance. Gravity will pull long streams of dust and stars across the sky in massive arcs. 2 supermassive black holes are heading toward a collision course. But before they meet, something even stranger will happen to our local cosmic neighborhood. Massive, bright blue stars burn fast and die young. Over 1 billion years, many of the brightest blue anchors of our night sky, like Rigel and Betelgeuse, will have exploded in brilliant supernovas long ago. What remains? Smaller, long-lived red dwarf stars. The night sky will shift in tone from brilliant whites and icy blues to a cool, crimson ember glow. Think of it as the universe slowly turning down its brightness, setting to conserve power. Stars will be born from the galactic collision, but older regions of space will fall quiet. The cosmic stage is setting up its final, most awe-inspiring display, one that reveals how tiny our place in time truly is. Step back and look at the whole picture. 1 billion years from now, the night sky is a chaotic masterpiece, a glowing atmosphere, dissolved ancient constellations, the terrifying beauty of Andromeda filling the sky, and a universe slowly shifting to red. We live in a golden age of astronomy, a short window where the sky is transparent, the constellations are stable, and the universe is clear. The night sky of the distant future is a reminder that nothing in the cosmos stands still. Subscribe to Astro Odyssey for more journeys through space and time.